welcome to the Pennzoil Proving Grounds test track. My name is Alex. I'm with Hennessey Performance, and I'm in an 850 horsepower CTS-V. Just brutal acceleration, blasting past 120, 130, 140, just so effortlessly able to slow back down safely with the Brembo brakes. All in a nice, comfortable package. It's so nice to just have everything around you. All the materials that you're touching are very plush, nice leather, very comfortable seats. This has the Recaro seat option, which I really like. This car comes with the LT4, which is found in the C7Z06 Corvette, and also the 6th Gen Camaro ZL1. We offer a lot of packages based on the LT4. They all come with a warranty. They're all very reliable, very fast. The 850 package comes with ported cylinder heads, custom cam, pulley for more boost, fuel system upgrades, and cooling upgrades. That's all that this car needs to just really wake it up and turn it up a notch. We also have the big dog package, which is the HPE 1000, and that comes with a supercharger replacement. Power right on tap, right when you want it. Love to build something for you that's reliable and drivable and has a warranty. Just stand behind it, so give us a call today. We'll see you next time.